This video will describe how to use the highlighting tool in Read and Write for Mac, which is used to identify important information in a body of text, in a document, or on a web page. Highlighted text can be extracted. The highlighting tool comprises of several different icons and can be found on the Study Skills and Research toolbars. In this example, the Study Skills toolbar is shown. In this example, a simple web page is shown with descriptive text. Select information that is important by holding the left mouse button down and dragging the mouse cursor over the desired text. Click on one of the highlighter icons to highlight the text in that color. Select as much text as desired and use different colors as desired. Remove highlighted passages by selecting the text and then clicking the Erase Highlights icon. The highlighted passages are not retained on this website and will disappear when the web page is closed. To extract the highlighted text, click the Collect Highlights icon. In the Collect Highlights dialog box that opens, select which colored highlights you would like to extract. Next, indicate how separate items and colors should be separated. Different options include separating by space, tab, or a new line. Click the Collect button on the bottom of the dialog box to proceed. All of the highlighted text will be transferred to a Microsoft Word document.